is it? Open it up. What is it? What's that?
A book.
A book, a new book from Nana and Papa? It says, I love you through and through. Oh, that's a nice book.
What book?
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Maybe Daddy can read that to you tonight. Andy, what about this? What's in here, Andy? Andy, look. Andrew, what's this? A lion. He shakes like Elmo. Look, press his paw. Let's put him on the box. Press his paw right there, Andy. He's cute. Andy, look at the last thing Nana and Papa sent you. Look at this. That's cute. Andy, look at this. Oh, what's that?
Whoa.
A new puzzle. Can you look at the camera and say thank you, Nana and Papa? All right, I'm going to open Robert John's. Grandson. Happy first Valentine's Day. Oh, Valentine's Day is one big splash for a grandson who's oceans of fun. Oh, don't cry about it. Don't cry. It's not sad. Let's see what you got. Did you get a bathrobe? Sorry, I said that kind of loud. A bathrobe. Andy has a bathrobe and now RJ has a bathrobe. This is for RJ, Andy. And a new towel for the bath. Good, because our towels are cheap and thin. Thanks, Nana. Thanks, Papa. Thank you. Andy, blow kisses to camera. Mwah. 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 Thank you. Bye.